Hi, welcome to interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to explain you a very simple Java interview question. What is a marker interface in Java? Marker interface is used as a tag to inform a message to the Java compiler so that it can add special behavior to the class implementing it. Java marker interface has no members in it. Usually whenever you implement an interface, you have to provide the code for a particular method which is mentioned in the interface. That's what the interface means. But whereas marker interface means you just implement it, but you don't have to you just implement the interface. You don't have to give any code. You don't have to write any code for methods, because it does not have any methods. Like if you have a runnable, you have a run method, but for marker interfaces you don't have any methods, such methods. Okay, you just inform the compiler. For example, serializable marker interface, it does not has any members defined in it. In the sense, it does not have any methods in it. When a Java class is to be serialized, you should intimate the Java compiler in some way that there is a possibility of serializing this Java class. I'm just telling to the compiler, boss, this is the class, it's implementing serializable. Anytime the objects of this class will be serialized, it will be sent across the network, or it will be stored in a flat file. That's what we are trying to say. So compiler adds some special behavior to that particular class. So whenever we create an object, so those behaviors will be used. So we are intimating the Java compiler to add a special behavior for the class which is marked as interface, which is marked with interface. An interface is called a marker interface when it provides an intimation to the compiler so that Java compiler can provide special behavior to it at runtime, and they do not have any method declarations. This is like a typical interface, but marker interface is like a special interface, I would say. Let's see an example so that you can understand. So I have a class which is implementing a serializable interface. You might be thinking, why there are no unimplemented methods? Because if I do, okay, it immediately says, the compiler complains, it says add unimplemented methods, correct? Whereas I do serializable, it does not, the compiler does not cry, it's not asking for me to add any methods, because it's a marker interface. So no methods to implement. It's just a marker interface. It just informs the compiler, boss, the objects of this class will be serialized. That means it has to be converted into stream of bytes. Okay, why stream of bytes? Because stream of bytes can be sent through the wire, or it can be stored in the flat file. So it's just an intimation to the compiler. Okay, this is very simple Java interview question, but it's very useful for your interview preparation. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.